from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the pound-dollar pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The pound-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin drop 0.8% against the dollar. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Aussie dollar pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal which matches our overall technical analysis. The dollar-yen pair rose 0.9% in the last session. The MACD's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, today's major financial news.
Ripple struck a deal to acquire Standard Custody and Trust Co. in order to secure a New York trust charter in an ongoing expansion of its US regulatory licensing. This latest acquisition follows a deal last year in which Ripple bought another cryptocurrency custody firm, Metaco. Shares of ARM Holdings continued to rise, adding to a staggering rally fueled by optimism around AI. ARM shares have gained more than 80% since the British tech company last Wednesday became Wall Street's newest AI-related darling, following a quarterly outlook that beat Wall Street's expectations. Gold prices edged up ahead of a US inflation report that could give fresh perspective on the timing of the Federal Reserve's first rate cut. Spot gold was up 0.2% after briefly slipping to a more than 2-week low on Monday.
Thank you. And now moving on to our chief analyst pick of today's main economic events.
Japan's gross domestic product will be released at 23:50 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 15:30 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 1200 hours GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production will be released at 1000 hours GMT. The UK's core consumer price index at 0700 hours GMT. The UK's consumer price index at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.